Here we are doing a preliminary rivet leak check. This boiler has been sitting for, oh, I'd say at least 45 minutes or so. It is March 23rd. I probably should be in bed, but like I had said, I was going to start a riveted boiler from brand new. It's not perfect. This is my first one. You gotta give me the first as a learning curve. But so far the only thing leaking is a brand new Jensen safety valve. I know this isn't a great test, but it's a start. I've had it on this paper towel now for 45 minutes or so, and as you can see, it's not wet, and it is the quicker picker-upper. So I am quite surprised. Did a little soldering, little buffing, and so far this thing looks like glass. I can't wait to see this nickel plated. But I took a still shot of this, and now I'm going to have a video of it. A very rare view down a boiler with rivets in it, also known as escutcheon pins, and a brand new Jensen safety valve. Just picked it up today, as a matter of fact. I am very happy, very, very happy. It's not perfect, but like I said, this is the first. There's always a learning curve on the first. But, excuse my dirty fingers. Been buffing and working on this thing all day long. But, yep, there it is. I don't know how Tom Sr. did it, but I've got definitely a higher temperature soft solder in here than plumbing solder. As a matter of fact, it is Stay Bright 1/16 diameter. It's supposed to be good for 500 degrees. Liquid till it gets liquid. So if anybody runs their boiler out of water and lets it on for quite a while, this baby is going to blow apart. I'm sure that's what happened to a lot of them. But there it is, folks. Like I said, not perfect, not yet. This is a learning curve. But tomorrow will be another day. Thank you for viewing.